Welcome to my channel Next Hustle.
Starting an online business in today's digital world has never been easier or more dangerous. On one hand, you've got AI tools, social media platforms, and e-commerce systems that make building a business faster than ever. On the other hand, scammers have also gotten smarter. They know people are chasing quick money online, and they create traps that look like opportunities. These scams drain your time, energy, and money, leaving you discouraged before you even get started. In this video, I want to protect you from falling into those traps. I'm going to walk you through the 5 most common online business scams people fall for in 2025, and more importantly, I'll show you how to spot them, avoid them, and use real AI tools that can actually help you grow your business the right way. Whether you are starting a dropshipping store, launching a YouTube channel, building a personal brand, or selling digital products, this information is critical. So let's get into it. 1. The Get Rich Quick online business course. We've all seen the ads, someone standing next to a rented Lamborghini or filming inside a mansion, telling you they've discovered the secret system to making $10,000 a week. All you need to do is buy their course. Here's the truth. Most of these courses are scams or, at best, wildly misleading. They promise you overnight wealth but deliver recycled information you could find for free on YouTube or blogs. Often, the so-called guru isn't making money from the system they're teaching. They're making money from selling the course itself. How to spot this scam? Look for red flags, unrealistic promises, heavy use of luxury props, no clear breakdown of what you'll actually learn, and pressure to buy before the price goes up. A legitimate course will focus on real skills, marketing, copywriting, SEO, or product design, and won't need flashy distractions to prove its value. AI tool you can use instead. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare now feature AI-powered personalized learning paths. They recommend courses based on your goals, and the material is created by verified experts. Even YouTube itself is experimenting with AI learning tools to guide your learning process step by step for free. 2. Fake online stores and dropshipping schemes. Dropshipping can be a real business model if done right, but scammers exploit beginners who don't know the difference between a real opportunity and a trap. One common scam is the fake, done-for-you store. These companies promise to build your entire dropshipping website, source products, and set up ads for a fee. In reality, they give you a generic site filled with low-quality products, poor branding, and no strategy. They take your money and disappear. Another scam is fake suppliers. They lure you in with cheap product prices, take your payment, and never ship to your customers. Not only do you lose money, but your store's reputation gets destroyed. How to avoid it? Research suppliers on trusted platforms like AliExpress Verified, Alibaba Gold Suppliers, or Spocket. And never pay for a turnkey store unless you know the company's track record. AI tool you can use instead. Tools like Shopify's AI Assistant, Jungle Scout AI, and Acom Hunt can analyze market trends, suggest winning products, and even help you write ad copy that resonates with your target audience. These tools are far cheaper and far safer than paying someone who promises to do everything for you. 3. Crypto and investment opportunities. This is a big one. The internet is full of people promising insane returns from crypto, NFTs, or AI trading bots. They'll tell you to invest a small amount and watch it multiply overnight. Sometimes they'll even use fake screenshots or testimonials to lure you in. Here's the harsh reality. If someone guarantees you huge profits with zero risk, it's a scam. Real investing always involves risk, and no one can promise consistent, guaranteed returns. Many of these so-called AI trading bots are just pyramid schemes where the only people making money are those at the top. How to spot this scam? Be skeptical of buzzwords like guaranteed profits, secret algorithm, or limited spots available. If you can't find a transparent explanation of how the system works, walk away. AI tool you can use instead. If you want to invest smartly, use legitimate tools like Morningstar AI, Yahoo Finance AI assistants, or robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront. These platforms use machine learning to help you diversify, manage risk, and invest intelligently, not gamble on hype. 4. Fake freelance marketplaces and job offers. Many people want to start online businesses as freelancers, offering skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, or coding. But scammers know this too. Fake job listings and fraudulent freelance marketplaces trick people into doing work for free or paying membership fees to access fake jobs. Some scams involve sending you a fake check, asking you to buy supplies, and then vanishing once the check bounces. Others involve platforms where you are asked to pay to apply for jobs, but no real clients ever exist. How to avoid it? Stick with trusted platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTel. These sites use AI verification to filter scams, protect payments in escrow, and ensure both freelancers and clients are legitimate. AI tool you can use instead. Tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, Canva AI, and Descript can help freelancers work faster and deliver professional results. For example, writers can use AI to brainstorm faster, designers can use AI-generated templates, and video editors can cut hours of work with AI editing tools. Instead of chasing fake jobs, build a real portfolio and use AI to boost your output. Scam number 5. Pyramid schemes disguised as AI business opportunities. This is one of the sneakiest scams today. Companies will claim they've built an AI-powered platform where you can earn passive income just by recruiting others. They'll say you don't need skills, products, or effort, just share the opportunity with your friends. In reality, these are pyramid schemes. The only money being made comes from recruiting new members, not from selling real products or services. Eventually, the pyramid collapses, and those at the bottom lose their money. How to spot it? If the business model depends more on recruiting people than on selling actual products, it's a pyramid scheme. If they can't explain how the AI works or what it actually does, it's fake. AI tool you can use instead. Real AI tools can help you build a business based on value. For example, ChatGPT can help with customer support, blog writing, and business planning. Grammarly AI can polish your communication. HubSpot AI can automate sales and marketing tasks. These are real tools that make your business stronger, not fake schemes that drain your wallet. Wrapping it up, so let's recap. The 5 biggest online business scams to avoid in 2025 are: get-rich-quick courses, they sell dreams, not real strategies. Fake dropshipping stores and suppliers, they take your money and leave you with nothing. Crypto, NFT, guaranteed investments, promises of risk-free profits are pure lies. Fake freelance jobs and marketplaces, they prey on beginners chasing online income. AI pyramid schemes, disguised as innovation but built on recruiting. The good news? You don't need to fall for any of them. With the right mindset and the right AI tools, you can build a legitimate online business. AI is not a shortcut to instant wealth, but it is a powerful assistant. It can automate tasks, boost creativity, and help you scale smarter. But only if you use real, trusted tools, not fake promises. So the next time you see someone online flashing cars, showing off fake earnings, or pushing a secret system, remember this: if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Protect your time, protect your money, and focus on building skills and systems that last. That's the real secret to success in online business.
Thanks for watching video, subscribe channel, like, share with friends.